Hello guys, today we'll be looking at OpenAI structured output. So in ChatGPT, people try giving prompts and they expect JSON format. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So when you're working on these things on a production level thing, you need to be pretty sure that every time you are getting a structured JSON output. So today I'll be telling you how you can do it. So I have gone to this OpenAI API documentation platform. So herein they have given the documentation of how we can use structured output. So see, this is how they have given the structured code for Python. So in this we need to import Beast model from Pydantic, and then the same thing OpenAI should be imported from OpenAI should be imported from OpenAI, and then we need to create one class. So whatever be the output, you need to mention the structure of that output. So like I have just created something. I'll just show it to in my virtual VS Code. So see, what I have done is uh, so I have I wanted the details of the of a particular movie. So in a structured format. So name, year, actor, villain, summary of that movie, and then rating of that movie, the IMDb rating of that year. So what you need to do is you need to import from Pydantic, you need to import base model, and additionally a field option is also there that is not given in the file, OpenAI out there. So you can mention the specific field, and you can give the description also what it does. So whatever every field description can be given here. What is the what is this thing particular, you can describe that particular part, and then accordingly OpenAI ChatGPT will learn that okay, this is what it is asking, and it will feed the value out there. Okay, so just create a class, and just create a class of that part, and uh, it should inherit from base model. Okay, Pydantic's base model, and then sorry, yeah. So and then this we need to call this again in the completion part. So completion part again, just copy it from OpenAI thing. So completion is client.beta.chat.completions.parse. So this changes after every iteration of OpenAI. So currently this structured format is only working for the GPT-4o APIs and above. So O1 and all those things it is working, but for previous models that are before GPT-4o, for GPT 3.5, this thing won't work. So for that I have written a OpenAI function calling, and I will show it that to you also. So here I have given two messages. One message is for system. So system is like, you are an AI which specializes in Hollywood, and the query that I have given is, give me details of the movie Matrix. Then response format will be your class name. So class name I have written as movie event, and same response format is here. Okay, so now then the final is output. So it is basically completion dot choices 0, and then message, then content. So like, based on the, if there are certain changes in future of this API, this may also change. So sometimes it's better to just go and check the print the message part, and then see how the structure is out there, and then you can copy it out. Okay, so let's run this thing. So I have also already created this env and imported both Pydantic and OpenAI here. Okay, you can just if you are using it for the first time, you need to install pip install Pydantic and pip install your OpenAI. Okay, so I'll just run it out. Python structured output.py. So let me increase it here, and yeah, see, so it is giving me, see what we wanted. We wanted name, year, actor, villain, summary, and rating. Think we are all of things are here. But anyway, we'll check in the JSON viewer. So let's move to JSON viewer and paste it here. See, it is giving in the name, year, actor, villain is also it's giving. And then summary also, it is giving what was the movie about, and the rating is IMDb rating of 8.7. So just check whether IMDb rating is the matrix. Yeah, yeah, IMDb rating is 8.7. So it's correct. Okay, so now let's move to the other part, wherein in this part I am using GPT-4o, but in certain cases it won't work, because if you are using 3.5 or any other GPT-4 models, then it won't work. Then you need to do a function calling. So let me clear it out and move to the structured old format. So again here you need to do the same thing from Python. Okay, this is not required, the first part. I just copied the code from there, so this is not required. You can just import OpenAI and then do the same thing till here. So additional part is this function part. Okay, function and the functional function call, rest of them will be same. Okay, so let's move to the function call. So what you need to do uh, is the give the name of that function, whatever it here is get movie details, and then description is get the details of anything related to Hollywood. I'm just giving a description of that particular function, what it does, and then what type it will be. So I have just mentioned it as an object. Okay, and the properties of that function. So this will be the output thing. So in the previous version, what we did was we already mentioned in this class. So when you're doing function calling, you will be mentioning the attributes that you require in the properties part. So the name will be a type of string. I will give a basic description here. Then the year is the year in which the movie was released. This is again a description. Okay, actors. So again we wanted it in an array, so we need to type give whether it is an array or not. So we have given the type array. Inside that array, what it will be. So there will be items of that array. So we have mentioned the items will be description, the actors of the movie. Okay, so inside the actors, the item description is the actors of the movie. Okay, and then you need to mention whether you require all of them or not. So we have name, year, and actors, we require it. Okay, and then you need to move to function call equal to auto. Okay, so again you just see the whole code. I'll just see, this is how your structure should look like, and just you can have a pause it out here and then look it at, or type it out there. Okay, and then rest of them is same. Again one more, it's not same. See, in the previous version it was just completion dot choices 0 dot message dot content. So after message there is sometimes the content will be there or not. So as I am calling function call here, I'm doing a function call here. So when I print that message, I'm seeing that in the values are there in the function call inside that arguments. Okay, so let's try to run it out. This is Python structured underscore old dot py. See, we are getting this. We wanted only three values. So this is name, year, and actors. That's it. So I hope you have liked it. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.